The goal here is to be able to correctly create this entire magic ghost number cube from just three intersecting commutative expressions, and they all have to be one face, one edge, and one corner expression. And so the first thing you have to do is you add these together to find the outer ghost number, which is 63 on both sides. Cancel that two up. Then you divide 63 up, since this is a cube, into three parts. So that's 21 for the central ghost number. The next thing you do, and this is all to determine the primary numbers, because once you get to the primary numbers, you can finish the rest of it by yourself. 6 and 3 are the primary numbers given. That's one commutative, face commutative equation. This is the edges commutative equation. These are the corners commutative equations. And so the next thing you do is that 8 and 8 is 16 on both sides. And so you know from the properties of this cube that there's going to be a 16 crossing here too. So, well, this gives you 5 right here, because there's only one number that equals 8. It's added to 3. So that gives you another primary number, 5. So 11 down here. So what gives you, what, 11 plus what gives you 16? Gives you 16 is 5. So what number plus 3 gives 5? That gives you another primary number, which is 2. So you still don't know these numbers, but then you employ the one I discussed in another video, and I'll try to find that and give a link. You want to know 18, since all these are converging, or you can find that down here. If you wanted to know 45, you got to remember that the corners are double that of the primary numbers that meet at the corners. And same goes for up here, since you have these numbers and these numbers down here. So starting with the simplest one, and you can check it with the larger one. What gives 18 at the corner? That also gives 2 right here. And but that also adds up. Well, what two numbers that are double right here, a single down here? Well, 18 divided into 3 parts is 6, and 6 and 6 is 18. So 2 6s is 12. So these numbers in orange have to be 12, add up to 12. There's only one number that would give 6. So you already got that down here, 6. So what two numbers? You just add up to the corners. 4 is right here, because it's 3 and 1. And 2 and 1 is 3. So that's, checks out, that's 12. And this is 6, which is 18. And down here, you want to know the numbers that I saw for this. Well, whatever these yellow numbers are, these orange numbers, half of it has to be half of that. So 45 is 15 and 15 and 15. So these numbers, these yellow numbers, have to be 30. And these have to be 15. So the only way for these blue numbers to be 15 is if this 4 was here. 4, 5, and 6 add up to 15. So that you just go to the corners here and you fill out 9 and 10 and 11's already here. So you use the doubling understanding to get that. And then now you can solve the rest of the cube. That's a crazy 12. This is another crazy 12. 12. This is a 6. And right here's a 6, which is 12 again. And then 4 and 10 is 14 up here and 14 down here. And then 3 and 7. 3 and 4 is 7. 1 and 6 is 7, which is 14. And then you can add up these numbers now that you got them all here to get the rest of the inner ghost numbers. And I already know what these are. All these 6 numbers add up to be 27. All these back 6 numbers add up to be 36, which is 63 on both sides. Back here is 27, down here is 36, down here is 27, and up here is 36. So you got all the whole magic ghost number cube complete by knowing just 3 of the commutative expressions. That gives you the rest of the 10, the 13 commutative expressions that cross through intersect here. So I hope I explained this right. Thanks a lot.